ClickDimensions CRM Honest Review Watch Before Using. In this video, I'm going to provide an honest review of ClickDimensions CRM, a powerful tool designed for marketers and sales teams who are looking to streamline their customer relationship management. If you're considering using this platform, I highly recommend you watch this video until the end. Links to the product are in the description below. ClickDimensions is designed specifically for Microsoft Dynamics 365 users, providing a robust suite of marketing automation tools that include email marketing, campaign management, lead scoring, and social media integration. One of its standout features is the intuitive drag-and-drop interface that makes it easy to create and manage marketing campaigns without needing extensive technical knowledge. With real-time analytics, you can track campaign performance and customer engagement, helping you make informed decisions and optimize your strategies on the fly. This CRM is perfect for small to medium-sized businesses that want to enhance their marketing efforts without the complexity and cost of larger platforms. It allows for seamless integration with your existing Dynamics 365 setup, which means you won't have to deal with the hassle of migrating data or training your team on a completely new system. However, there are a few things to consider. Some users have mentioned that while the platform is feature-rich, it can be overwhelming at first due to the sheer volume of options available. It's essential to invest time in training to get the most out of ClickDimensions. Additionally, customer support has received mixed reviews, so it's worth reaching out to them with any questions during your trial period. In conclusion, ClickDimensions CRM can be a game changer for businesses looking to enhance their marketing capabilities. Just be prepared to dedicate some time to learn the system and ensure you have the support you need. If you found this review helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and useful information. Thanks for watching.